Millions of North Carolinians are exposed to harmful chemicals in their drinking water called PFAS. There's a new plan now discussed just today. It aims to stop that pollution before it reaches the tap. WRAL's Liz McLaughlin shows us what the state is doing to tackle this problem.
Today, state officials talked about ways to keep PFAS chemicals out of our water. Forever chemicals are in everyday items like cookware and makeup, and they're nearly impossible to get rid of.
It's everywhere, so that's why they struggle with how do you address this. It's in just residential waste, it's in the industrial waste, it's in our drinking water.
The state is considering a plan to have companies check how much PFAS they're releasing into the water. If levels are too high, they'll need to check more often and figure out how to cut back.
They would look at what they discharge, and they would look and see if they have PFAS in their discharge, and they would work toward minimize it, maybe substitute a product line or materials.
The problem is widespread, with more than 3 million North Carolinians facing PFAS levels above federal limits. State efforts to pass stricter rules for companies have faced pushback. Now they hope this plan can minimize the pollution in surface water.
So we have to balance those three: the costs, the benefits, and the environmental.
Advocates say more action is needed to hold polluters accountable.
Forever chemicals are connected to a whole host of health implications and health challenges. We have widespread contamination in North Carolina, so this is particularly important to a state like ours.
The state is still in early stages of its plan, but officials will meet again in February to figure out next steps. Liz McLaughlin, WRAL News.